In this video, I'm going to show you how to export chart of accounts from QuickBooks Desktop. So there's actually two ways to do this. I'm going to show you both. The first one is to export as an IIF file, which is best for importing or moving. So first you want to click on over here where you can see File top left, and you want to hover over Utilities and then hover over Export. Then here you want to click on List to IIF Files, and from here inside the export window, you want to click on Chart of Accounts, click on OK, and then you can save this wherever you want on your computer, okay? So for example, if I want to save it to downloads, I'd click on save, and that's going to save it just like that, okay? So that's the first way to do it. But then the second one is to export to Excel, which is best for just like viewing and editing. So you can go to the reports menu up top, and then in here, you want to go to list, and you want to hover over it and click on account listing at the top. Now when you do that, it's going to basically give you your list, and then you want to click on the Excel button up top, click on create new worksheet, and then from here, from the next window, you'll be able to create a new worksheet, export it just like this, and then of course again you'll be able to save it, and that's essentially how to do it yet again, okay? As you can see, it's opening here in the background, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.